Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods. Arson Woods is a company that works in handcrafted furniture. And handcrafted means something like this that you are looking at. And all the items you can see in the back and everything that we have shown on our YouTube channel in around 800 videos, thousands of items that are displayed on the website, and amazing number of testimonials that are visible on the website. Everything that you see is handwork. This handwork has given work to a lot of artisans, local labor, local people for packing, polishing, transport people, and hundreds of people are getting work because you are trusting us. You are giving us orders, and we are happy that we have served thousands of clients across the globe because we deliver globally. Arson is an international trademark in 35 countries, and we are proud that we are serving so many clients. The unit we have here is an 8-seater dining, though the chairs are 6 because the client required 6, and teak wood, natural teak finish, and high gloss. We deliver as per client's requirement. So here you can see the table is 8, chairs are 6, and we don't have cushion on the chair. That is as per the tradition of the client. So what we do is we make colors, design, sizes, fabrics, everything as per your choice. And that's why we call our furniture choice wala furniture. So what you like, we make that. So if you're looking to get your choice wala furniture, please contact us. The number is right here. If you go online and check Arson on Google, on YouTube, or any other social media channel, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Telegram, Tumblr, any social media channel, you will find so much stuff already visible there. So anything you like and anything you want that is possible, we will try and make that. Contact us, we'll be happy to talk to you. Thank you. Dhanyavad.